There's a quiet struggle that happens when you measure everything through worth: what you earned, what you deserve, what should be given or withheld. That way of thinking can cloud more than it clarifies. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote invites a shift away from judgment and towards something more grounding. Clarity arrives when you ask what you need, not what you deserve. This quote reminds us that the language of deserving often pulls us into comparison and evaluation. It frames life as a scoreboard, where value must be proven or justified. In that space, decisions become tangled with pride, guilt, or resentment. Asking what you need is different. It's practical, it's honest. It centers well-being instead of worth. Needs point toward sustainability, stability, and presence. When you focus there, clarity sharpens because the question becomes about care rather than validation. This shift softens internal conflict. You stop negotiating your right to support, rest, or understanding. Instead, you listen to what allows you to function with steadiness. And steadiness brings perspective. Perspective brings clarity. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. When faced with a decision, pause and ask yourself, what would genuinely support you right now? Let that answer guide you instead of evaluating what you think you've earned. Carry that awareness with you as the day unfolds. You don't need to justify your needs through worth. Often, clarity arrives the moment you simply acknowledge them. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Needs guide wisdom, and honesty restores direction. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.